Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Canva Affinity on your macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Chrome browser or any other browser. And here I'm going to type on the address bar right now, Canva Affinity download. And now you will get a page on the top. Just click on that. And here you will get two different options. One is download for macOS and another one is download for Windows. So I'm choosing download for macOS since my device is Mac operating system. And now I'm going to choose my downloading folder and clicking on this save button. And the file is downloading right now. Here you can see that it is downloading. So I'm waiting right now. Alright, here you can see that the file has been downloaded, and after then double click on it, and then you will see the icon of Affinity. Just normally drag it into the applications folder and the application is going to be installed on your macOS. Here you can see that it is copying some files to applications. Just wait a few moments. So that's it. We have successfully installed Affinity on our macOS. If we want to check it, I'm searching here Affinity. Here it is. So for the first time, I'm going to open it. So probably we may need to click on the open button. And here you can see that our Affinity is opening. You can log in with your email and password of Canva. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to download and install Affinity on your macOS. Thanks for watching.